Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla Model Y glass roof water dripping concerns and discusses possible causes based on verified build design information and documented service findings. In some Model Y vehicles, water may drip from the glass roof area during or after rain or washing, which is typically related to sealing or drainage behavior rather than the glass itself cracking. Verified information shows the Model Y uses a bonded panoramic glass roof with perimeter seals and designed water management channels. When seals are not seated evenly, adhesive bonding is inconsistent, or drainage paths become restricted, water can travel beyond intended channels and enter the cabin area. Certain production periods have shown variability in seal fitment, which may affect how water is directed away from the interior. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Potential contributing factors may include roof glass seal misalignment, seal compression issues, debris blocking roof drainage paths, or body panel alignment affecting water flow. In some cases, previous glass replacement or body repair can change how water is managed around the roof opening. General guidance includes inspecting roof seals for visible gaps, ensuring drainage channels are clear, and having seal alignment checked by a Tesla service center if water intrusion is observed. Repair approaches can differ depending on vehicle build period and prior service history. In summary, glass roof water dripping on the Model Y can occur due to seal fitment or drainage behavior and may vary across vehicles and production batches. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.